My name is Gabriel Fontana, 77. I live here in Pittsburgh, Township, 1970, by myself. My sister already was here, my uncle here, and I used to come here. I was working in Germany, and I wanted to take a little trip here in the United States to look at it to be is, and just to see this country we look like it and reach the opportunity. And I come here, I step a little bit, and then I start to like the United States, and I find work a lot of way, end up stay here. And after 3 years, I opened my own business here in downtown, and now I'm 45 years here. No, I never have any trouble when I open my business, and number one, it should be good to work, honesty, treat people nice. When they tell us to be ready, should be ready. We learn in Italy to make it completely new shoes, not just to repair. We make it completely new shoes, and I see some friend of mine, some people from the family, introduce a couple of people who have a shoemaker shop, and they offer me a job. I worked for him for 3 years, and then I opened my own business. And then I come from Frankfurt here to New York for tourists. I stayed a little bit, and then I start to like it. And everybody offered me a job. Number one, he refused the visa for 3 times, the consul in Frankfurt, And then I called my brother-in-law, and I told him, he talked with some congressman in the area, why I don't want to give him my visa. And then the consul called me, and he said, I'm ready to give you a visa now. And then nowadays people complain that why come easier. Why? Before this is the same type of law. It was in the 70s, still in progress. Why these people have to be so easy? Keep your door open, everybody can come in. It should be a little bit more tougher, like me. I was waiting for a couple of years to get a visa, and I come the right way. What Trump wants to do it, I think it's the right way to do it. It's not because a Democrat or a Republican. I feel that's the right way to do it, because since everything you keep the door open, everybody can come in. There's no privacy here. And you don't know who come in this country. Normal people, terrorists, criminal, you never know. That's why it's supposed to be the right way to do it,